Hello YouTube. This is gonna be a video of stuff like about Crew Day to Forever. I think that's how you say his name. I'm not really sure, but he seems like he would be nice if you just been nice to him. I think that's what would be happening. But everybody is like mean to him and stuff like that. But I just can't. Make you guys stop. I made 1,000 videos of you guys to stop being mean to people. But you guys just keep on doing it. Why'd you do it? That's just, you just be mean to people all day. Why do you do that at school? Do you like beat up people at school? It's just wrong to hurt people's feelings. What they do to you. They didn't do anything to you. How would they do something if there's just a video on YouTube? They couldn't do anything to you. They could say something mean to you, but probably if you're like doing something to them. But I know my voice sounds weird, but my voice doesn't sound really that weird, but it really is weird on the camera because this is a laptop. But I want all you guys to know that my videos are like, I'm trying to make you guys do like nice stuff to me on the videos, but you guys just end up doing mean stuff and not doing stuff. And I just want like either when 50 subscribers, or 1,000 comments, and 25,000 likes. That's all I want. I don't want one like, one comment, and 0 subscribes. That's what I don't like. I don't like any of that. But I try to do my best to make you guys do stuff like that, but y'all I just wish that y'all good guys would do it, but I guess you will. But you guys are the best thing that ever happened to me. I love you being on YouTube videos. They're awesome videos. I like to make videos, but when I make videos, it's kind of hard to like edit stuff like that. It's hard to make people actually like your videos, but nobody likes my videos, so I guess that I won't be on YouTube anymore. I'll stop being on YouTube. Probably I'll still be on YouTube. If I get a comment on this video and say, no, don't stop being on YouTube. If I get anything like that, I'll stay on YouTube. But you probably think I'm ugly because if I had longer hair, I would look better. If I didn't have a fever blister right here, I would look better too. But I have a fever blister and short hair and long hair makes me look better. But you guys are really nice to people. Only some people, not like all people. Everybody's gonna end up being mean to somebody they like, but not like being mean to other people, but you have to be nice to people once in a while too. So that's what you have to do. But I guess this is the end of my video. Bye.